Imagine you are shopping and want to ask about a price. Today you will learn shopping and asking prices, with useful sentences you can say in real life. The pattern is simple. Use how much is for one item and how much are for more than one item. Notice the keywords, then add your own detail. Here are 3 examples. How much is this shirt? How much are these shoes? Can I pay by card? Let's test what we've learned. Which question asks the price of one shirt? Option 1. How much are this shirt? Option 2. How much is this shirt? The best answer is, how much is this shirt? Use is because you are asking about one shirt. Let us recap. Use how much is for one item and how much are for more than one item. Practice this sentence, how much is this shirt? Say it once, then change one detail.